Hey everybody, welcome to the amazing adventures of Adventure Joe. I'm Adventure Joe and this is Killian. Adventure Killian. And we are out here fishing.
I'm gonna try to make it close to the other side.
Alright, we're watching.
Be careful when you're messing with your hook.
That's right. You can hook yourself, can't you?
Yeah.
Good cast.
That was close to the other side.
That was a good cast. Good job.
So everybody, you gotta be quiet. And you gotta wait.
What's going on over here, Teresa? Oh my God.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
We're gonna do barbecue. This is how Minnesota Tea does barbecue. Okay. I spent a good 11 days in the South, so I feel like I can own that accent. No.
That was terrible.
It was.
That was a southern accent?
No, it was gibberish.
Gibberish. What about duct tape? Anybody got duct tape? It's usually the most important thing camping people should have.
So why don't you have any?
Get out of there. Because I thought you guys brought
Yo, wait a second.
You told me not to bring anything.
Yeah. What are you doing, kiddo?
We're getting some mittens on because our fingers are cold.
Your fingers
Say
cold?
hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Brandon. That's Brandon. Or Adventure Joe.
Adventure Joe.
Adventure Joe. You see Joe? Get them kids.
I can't believe I get to record the moment just before we call the ambulance.
Yeah, I know.
And
So what are we doing? What kind of food do we got?
we have Cajun rubbed whole chicken. We have barbecue ribs,
Ooh.
corn on the cob.
We got corn on the cob.
Yes, roasted potatoes and onion. Oh, and cornbread.
Ooh.
That's my girlfriend Megan.
That's my hair.
Yeah, it's because you were. How did that happen? Were you being naughty?
Thank you for watching The Amazing Adventures of Adventure Joe. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to tell your friends, and always remember to chase your dreams.
My
Make it
one,
quick.
actually.
It's on.
My massage job, I didn't have to. He was like, you seem like you know how to massage. You got a job.
So this is the campsite. I don't remember, but that's my sister. That's everybody else and her dog. That's our cars down there if you can't see them. But we've been fishing for a while today, so it's almost nighttime. But I know we don't have a lot of time on recording, so I'm gonna get around here really fast. We're going a video around the campsite. Let's go. So as you can see, here's some of our food stuff. Here's a tent stuff. There's somebody's sweatshirt, but here's the back of the tent. And if you can see, okay.